Welcome to MarketsToday.net. I want to take you through a quick review of what's happening with the TASI, Saudi Arabia Stock Exchange Index, because we have broken some support levels and it looks like the index will be going lower. Today it was down 1.82%, closed at 9,234.03. I'm now on the landing page for Tadal, and I'm going to go into the advanced chart page and then go into the full view by clicking the F button here. And now I get my full view, totally interactive chart. I'm also going to go to weekly time frames, so each candle is a week, so I could first take a look at the larger picture and see if that identifies anything that might be useful at this time. I'll start by drawing in the trend line, going into segment tool. This is the long-term trend line approximately. Also, just to let you know, these two lines here, the red line and the blue line, are the 55 exponential moving average for the red line and the 200 exponential moving average for the blue line. So now we have the long-term view. We have one more trend line I'll draw right here, which is the near-term trend line. You can see we just recently broke below it and closed below it. At the same time, we broke through the 55 exponential moving average, both an indication of support, and we broke through the previous swing low back here from June. Now, the most obvious potential support zone is, in my opinion anyway, is going to be right over here with this peak because it's so obvious. So I'm going to put a horizontal there just to mark that, and that high is approximately 79.44. I'll go to my annotation tool. And mark that in there. Now, a little bit more minor would be this swing high right here, and that's around 82.23. But for right now, we'll leave it off because we're going to have too many marks on the chart. Now, is there anything else? Well, next time I'm going to go over here to the left and see if there's any multiple support and resistance areas from the past that highlight a particular price area. And so we can see there is something right around there where we have this low, these highs. And so I'm going to put a horizontal line right around there. And that would be obviously higher than the 79.44. So let me mark that by picking this low here of 86.60 approximately. Okay, so those are the next two levels to watch based on the analysis so far. So now we're going to zoom in a bit and see if we can look at anything else that might give us additional insight. So I'm going to take a look at this ABCD pattern that is setting up right here, where we have or a zigzag, commonly referred to as a zigzag. So we have an A up here, B down here, C up here, and the D would be down here. So what we're looking at is, first of all anyway, is where the CD leg may match the price depreciation of the AB leg. And if we do the calculations, we find out that that would be approximately at 85.40. So I'm going to go back to my segment tool and draw that in there down to 85.40 approximately, which comes in right here. I'll put that into annotation, and that marks where my CD leg matches the AB leg by 100%. So now we have a few levels to watch on the way down. The main thing at this point is that the TASI has broken this low, is just about to break yesterday's low, and is clearly in a short-term downtrend with the odds pretty high that it will continue lower. And that's it for now. Thank you very much.